I'm Dan Gookin, author of these books on Word, and here's today's Word tip. Bold, italics, underline. These font attributes rank high in Word, probably for historical reasons. Regardless, they have prominent buttons here on the font group. Plus, and this is a huge bonus, they have basic shortcut keys. Control-B, Control-I, and Control-U. Truly, this status makes the other font attributes seethe with jealousy. Yet Word has more font attributes than appear in the font group on the ribbon. So you also see Strikethrough, which seems like an odd choice to me, as well as Subscript and Superscript. Where is small caps? I would think small caps would make the cut, but no. To see the rest, click the dialog box launcher to display the font dialog box, keyboard shortcut Control-D, which makes no sense. And here you see the rest of the attributes. So all told, you have the big three, and then Strikethrough, double Strikethrough, Superscript, Subscript, small caps, all caps, and hidden. Strikethrough adds a line through your text. Double Strikethrough is the same thing, but with 2 lines, and outside the government legal community, you rarely see this attribute unless the Track Changes feature is activated, and double Strikethrough? I've never seen it. Subscript and Superscript have their place, but mostly these attributes are activated by the autocorrect feature. For example, second. And you see the "nd" superscripted. These attributes do have keyboard shortcuts, which makes sense if you have a twisted mind. Control plus and Control Shift plus. So Control plus is subscript. I can type H2O. And Control Shift plus is superscript. Now see how that works? So I can type 100 to the 10,000th power, and it's some kind of math thing. The small caps keyboard shortcut was once Control-K in ancient versions of Microsoft Word. This shortcut was reassigned to the insert link command with Word blah-de-de-blah several versions back. Today, the keyboard shortcut for small caps is Control-Shift-K. See what they did there? I use small caps to highlight names in scripts. For example, Danny.
This is pretty cool.
Dan. But nerdy. All caps have no keyboard shortcut, and it's kind of an odd attribute anyway. So you can press the caps lock key to get all caps. But remember, this format can be applied to already written text. So I can select a block, and then go to the font dialog box, and apply all caps to the selected text. Now here's a shortcut key that's not listed anywhere. It's normal, which is Control spacebar. When you press this keyboard shortcut, it restores the default font style. It peels away any attributes you've applied. So take this selected all caps text, press Control spacebar, and the text is restored. Now you can't do that if you typed these characters using the caps lock key.
What about hidden text?
Well, that's perhaps the most confusing text attribute of all Word. So I'm going to cover it in another Word tip video.
Lame.
These are your font attributes. Of course, color is also an attribute, as well as some effects. What's not an attribute, however, is the highlighting tool.
Don't tell me. Another word tip video.
Well, of course. How long do you want these things to be? 20 minutes? You can wait for it.